a big announcement came from Israel. They said we want to install a grand statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Israel, not in India, in our country. The movement happened on 6 June 2026 on Shivaji Rajabhishek Din, the coronation day of Shivaji Maharaj. The Consul General of Israel in Mumbai, Yaniv Revach, met Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He asked, can we build a big statue of Shivaji Maharaj and send it to Israel? CM gave immediately approval, but the question is why Shivaji Maharaj and why not any other king and why Israel? First, let's see exactly what Yaniv Revach said. We understand exactly what the influence is and how important Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to India. The idea is to build a big statue of the Maharaj and send it to Israel. It will be a project for the long run. The Indian people and the Israel people will be connected throughout this project. He also wrote a formal letter to CM. We believe that a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Israel would serve as a powerful symbol of the close tie between Israel and India. Such a movement would be especially meaningful given the historical link between Maharashtra and the Indian Jewish community, many of whose descendants today contribute significantly to Israel's society. The statue will be installed in one of Israel's major cities, probably Tel Aviv or Haifa. The Maharashtra government will be helped with historical reference, artistic guidance and design. And CM Fadnavis wrote on X, this is huge news. Maharashtra government will extend complete support for this historical initiative. Now, here is the real story of behind this decision. About 2500 years ago, a ship carrying Jewish refugees was sailing near the coastal of Maharashtra. According to oral tradition, only 14 people survived, 7 men and 7 women. They settled in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. They started working as all pressers. They also kept strictly observing the Jewish Sabbata on Saturdays. Because they did not work on Saturday, the local Marathi people called them Shanivar Teli. They learned Marathi language, they adopted local costumes, but they never changed the Jewish religion. This community is called a Bon Israel, meaning son of Israel in Hebrew. They are one of India's oldest Jewish community. Now comes the important part. In the 7th century, when Shivaji Maharaj was building his Swaraj, he needed good soldiers. He saw the Bene Israel community. They were strong, loyal and had a martial skills. So what did Shivaji Maharaj do? He ignored the religion. He did not ask, are you Hindu, are you Jewish? He just saw their capability. He required many of them into his army and his navy. Think about it. Jewish soldiers fight for Hindu king against the Mughal Empire. They protect the western coast of India. This military service continued even after Shivaji's time. Bene Israel soldiers also served under the Angre family, the famous Maratha naval commanders. Later, they joined the British Indian Army and then the Indian Army. So the connection is not just a spiritual, it is a military, professional and historical. After Israel was formed in 1948, many Bene Israel families migrated from Maharashtra to Israel. They took their Marathi culture with them. Even today, some families in Israel make Maharashtrian food. So when Israeli leaders looked back at their history, they found one unique thing. India, especially Maharashtra, was one of the few places in the world where Jews never faced religious persecution. In Europe, Jews were forced to convert or were killed. In Maharashtra, under Shivaji Maharaj and later the Maratha Empire, they lived in peace, got jobs, became soldiers and kept their faith. That is very rare in Jewish history. That is why Yaniv Revach said India is a place where Jews have always been welcome. Yaniv Revach gave another reason. He said, when I came to India, I learned about the similar between India and Israel. Both nations had to fight for their land for many decades. We understand the influence and importance of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to India. So this statue is not just a thank you, this is a cultural bridge. Israel want to introduce Shivaji Maharaj to Israeli society. They want to Israeli to know about his good governance, courage, religious tolerance and naval strength. Israel will also translate books about Shivaji Maharaj into Hebrew. If you enjoy this deep dive into one of history, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.